Previously on Eds and Joyce.
Things just got a little bit more challenging.
It's been 4 days since we started our journey to complete the Philippines North Loop. We made our way from Manila to Baguio, then from Baguio City to Sagada Mountain Province. We passed through the Philippines mountains in the Kalinga province before making it across the Cagayan Valley to where we are now, here in Pagudpud of Ilocos Norte. We've gone through varying terrain.
What happened?
Stuck.
And a lot of moody weather.
It's so hot.
We can be wet but not cold.
Today, as we head back, we discover new places and encounter new challenges. So join us as we make our way back home. We are Eds and Joyce. Together with our baby Milka, we travel the world one beautiful destination at a time in constant search for our next adventure.
So we've been on the road for the past 5 days now, and we have completely run out of fresh underwear. I love mornings like this. It's so slow and nice and peaceful. It's just the perfect way to start your day. Coffee, crackers, the sound of the waves. It's just so perfect.
I really love this place. I had a very good night's sleep, a very peaceful sleep. The room was quite comfy. They wake up early for coffee, so it's really nice.
So today we're gonna be making our way to Vigan. It's supposed to be like 3 hours only, but we want to make stops along the way because the northernmost tip of Luzon is actually near here. They think there are a couple more interesting stops along the way. So yeah, we're actually very excited to be more sightsee and touristy on this leg of the trip.
Ready to go? Bye-bye po!
Bye po!
Ooh, wow, look at that.
Wow! That's wild! No, baby. Does it say anything?
It's 1 kilometer away.
But this is the road.
No, it doesn't. This is not the road. It's not registered.
We were trying to get to the northernmost point of Luzon, which is supposedly Maira-Ira. But this is where we were. I don't think I want to go on this.
It's not very safe.
It does not look very safe.
You want me to try it?
On your own?
Yeah. Are you okay to take it? I think we can do it. It's not that high.
Why? What's there?
Wala, it's just road. Tuloy-tuloy.
It's this kind of road?
Yeah, I think we can. I'm gonna try it now. Okay?
Yeah, okay. Apparently we're in the wrong way, so Kuya is gonna guide us to the right way, towards Maira-Ira Point.
Gusto ko sumakay doon.
Looks like it's gonna be really rough road going to the point, so I'm gonna go here while Ed drives the bike. Let's go. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's go.
So we're at the northernmost point of Luzon. That's it!
So through that drive, we have found ourselves at the northernmost tip of Luzon. It's nice and sandy. There it is! It's actually kind of spectacular.
This place is insane. Whew. This is why we do this.
Milka baby, you've made it to the northernmost point in Luzon. Thank you, Kuya Rufino. We're so lucky that we met him on that road. Because otherwise we would never be able to find this place. This is so beautiful, and it still amazes me the places that we're able to go when we're just riding freely around the Philippines. Ed is right, this is why we do this. These spectacular views. So blessed. That's where we came from. Thank you, Kuya. So if Kuya Rufino hadn't seen us on top of that hill a while ago, that is where we would have ended up. This one right there. All right, we're going. I've been to Pagudpud before, but I've never seen Pagudpud like this. It's so beautiful. Rest?
Yeah, rest first. It's so beautiful here. There's also white sand beach all along the coast. And there's a clear view of the windmills.
I found a hose by the side of the road.
I'll try to wash the front of the bike where the radiator is to take off as much mud as I can.
So Milka and I are just left here with all of this stuff. I love my rock and the cool breeze that's here, so glad for this break. Milka loves her tree.
Yeah, we're good to go. All done.
Success! It is so hot. I want ice cream. Beat the heat. Yes. The roads here are so long and so open that there's just absolutely no shade. It took us forever to find this rest stop.
So hot, no?
Yeah. This girl, are you okay? I think she needs water.
Ooh, finally. We're here.
So we have made it to Pawai, and I really wanted to stop over here because I wanted to try the infamous pinakbet pizza. This is like the perfect stopover for us because we can have lunch and they have AC. So if there's one thing about this Ilocos leg of our trip, it's that all the roads are really, really, really nice. But it is hot. The sun is just beating down on us and the wind blowing is pretty warm, so the journey has been quick, but it's been hot.
130 kilometers on the beating sun. That was intense. I'm just glad we're here. Back to the aircon.
Out of all the places that we could have stopped along the Ilocos region, because there are so many famous like landmarks in this area, I really chose this place because I wanted to try the pinakbet pizza. The church is really beautiful too, so hopefully we can walk around later when the sun is not so hot anymore. So this is the infamous pinakbet pizza, and it has bagoong on top, so I'm really excited to try this. Oh my gosh, it's so good. I love the veggies on it. I love the bagoong. It's so weird. It's not supposed to go well on top of bread, but it's just so delicious. so good. Okay, so this is like the yummiest looking street ice cream ever. It is a mix of dragon fruit, mango, and avocado. Looks really good. Onwards we go.
Yes, let's go.
What a champ.
Grabe, babe. I think this leg of the trip is the most tiring for me.
Is it the heat?
Yes, it's the heat.
We've made it to Vigan. Now all we need to do is find a place to stay for the night. This is gonna be a little bit challenging because, well, Milka is with us, and typically when we're in the city, we usually cannot find a place for her to stay that's really quick. So Eds is just looking for a place for us right now. I'm really happy that we're here. I'm glad that we made it to the city early. I'm very much surprised with Vigan. When I hear Vigan, what I'm reminded of is Calle Crisologo, which is like the old Hispanic area. But I forget that Vigan is still a modern city, you know.
1 minute away.
Okay.
This is such a cute place.
Yes. And you're allowed. Vigan has such a cute vibe. I want to explore more of the city tomorrow. Alright. Home sweet home?
Yeah. Home for the next 2 nights.
Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. This room is more than good enough. We have a shower, we have a bed. Baby.
Yeah.
So this is an okay space, but the pipes in the bathroom are leaking. I normally won't mind, but I think at least we need like bathroom slippers or something. I'm so tired. I don't really want to fuss, but I really don't want to step on the floor either. Yeah. What's up? Are they gonna change the room?
Yes, so I called the owner and they're willing to just switch out the rooms to maybe like a room that has a fixed CR with a flush and no leaks on the faucet. Yeah. So it's really good naman, mabait naman yung owner.
We gotta change of room! Nicer?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah, I like it.
Hey, they changed the room. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. We got to have a good night's rest tonight. Today it's so hot.
Yeah, the heat right now is really intense. I think more so than the past few days, right?
What do you want? Milka is so funny. She wants to go in the store because she knows there's AC inside.
Up.
Are you stuck? What happened?
Stuck.
Oh no! The bike is stuck. I think we need to make the bike lighter, so wait a minute. Whew. Ah, that is so funny. Thank God somebody came to help. because that bike is heavy. So we have made it to Tagudin. It is a province here in Ilocos Sur, and this stop is highly recommended to us. It's so nice because it is right by the ocean. It feels so good to be off the bike. Whew. Nice place?
Yes, very nice place.
Yeah. We honestly could not have picked a better place to stop over. I'm so happy to be here.
This is such a relaxing place. You can actually hear the waves crash down on the beach. It's so nice.
It is such a vibe too because it's so cute. It looks like a beach shack. And then you're opened up to this wonderful beach. It's just a beach with a really nice clear water, you know? So nice. I love that they have bean bags on the sand so that maybe at sundown it would be so cool to just hang out there, you know, have a couple of beers and just chill out with your friends. That'd be cool. But right now it is lunchtime.
That should be good because we're really hungry right now. I'm just ready to eat and get some food in my belly. Looks so good.
What is it?
It's taro wrap. Oh my god. It's the stuff of dreams. Refreshing. This looks so good and it smells so yummy. It's so good. It's so juicy and it's so crispy. It's crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. It's one of the best crispy patas I've ever tried. It's really good. The crispy pata also comes with a side of kamote fries and regular fries.
I am getting so hungry just watching Ed sleep.
It's like perfect beach setup for me. Nice cool wind, the sun's not super hot, and the water is so nice.
So today is our last day. We actually head back to Manila today. According to Waze, it's gonna take us 9 hours from here in San Juan, La Union. I'm really not looking forward to this leg of the trip. It's gonna be all cities and we're going home, so there's nothing exciting about it. I can't believe it's like the last day. It's so nice here. Why do we have to leave? Today's gonna be the most exhausting for sure. This is gonna be torture. Adventure, my love. Last na. Are you ready, babe?
Super ready. Ready to go home?
I'm not. This is such a long ride. We ended up getting drive-through because milk is not allowed inside and nothing is open yet. So drive-through and eating curbside it is.
He's smiling.
Clean enough? It is so hot outside. We needed a place to stop over and just cool off with AC. So exhausting. Oh my god. I feel like I'm about to pass out. It's so tiring. The heat is insane. I think we just need to let the sun just chill out for a sec. It's so funny. The more we travel, the lower our standards get when it comes to accommodations. As long as we don't ask any questions, we're okay. Oh man, that was a good nap. We can say what we want about this place, but we got some rest. Whew,
Thank God the sun has calmed down.
The traffic's really tiring. But we have 130 kilometers to go.
Last hustle. I'm really glad we were able to nap a while ago. That really saved our day. It is now 8:30 p.m. which means we've been on the road for more than 12 hours. But we did take a 5-hour break. 40 kilometers to go. Let's get it.
Home stretch, I think. Home stretch.
Are you tired at all?
This really is a challenge, huh?
Yeah.
Now I know why.
Look at her. She's stretching. I want to copy Milka. I cannot believe that all of these things have been attached to us for the past 9 days. It's gotten to be a part of us, so we got used to it. I am very thankful for one thing though. So that is a pea funnel, and I bring it on all road trips that I go on because you never know where you're gonna have to go, because I learned the hard way in one of our trips and I had to go roadside and the grass was so tall. I'm just so glad that on this trip I didn't need to use it. Babe, last 40 kilometers. Oh my God. We're home. I can't believe we actually did it.
It's a total of 1,583 kilometers. Yes.
So this bike is actually not ours. We're just gonna return it right now. This bike did so well. It got us through so much. I guess we'll end the vlog here. We'll see you guys on the next one.
Bye.